everyone, we're going to find the derivative of the function using the definition of derivative. We're also going to state the domain of the function and the domain of its derivative. We have f of x equals x squared minus 2x cubed. Here's your definition of the derivative. I have all these on my Facebook page if you ever want to save a photo. So basically, using our definition, we're going to write f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0. Now, f of x plus h. So that means everywhere there's an x, you put x plus h. So this is going to be x plus h squared minus 2 times x plus h cubed. All right. And then you subtract the whole function. And that's just going to be x squared minus 2x cubed. And this is all divided by h. Now I put our little factoring things here. So the first one we're going to do is this one. This is going to be the limit as h approaches 0. So when you expand this trinomial, this is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So there's that one. Now this one is here. So we have this one. So all I'm going to do is just use this, except we have x and h instead of a and b, and I'm going to multiply each term by negative 2. So that's going to give me negative 2x cubed minus 6x squared h minus 6xh squared minus 2h cubed. And then we have to subtract these. So negate everything. Negative x squared. Then we're going to have plus 2x cubed. All divided by h. Now when you get to this point, everything should cancel out except a term with h. This does not have an h in it, so there should be one that has negative x squared, and here it is. All right, we'll probably leave these up. Here's one without an h. Negative 2, here's the opposite right there. And everything else has h in it, looks like. Is anything else we can cancel out with the h's. But this is a good sign that we did it right. If you have any terms without an h in it that are left, that means you probably did something wrong with the algebra. Okay, so now let's go ahead and simplify this. This is going to be equal to the limit as h approaches 0, and we're going to have 2xh plus h squared minus 6x squared h minus 6xh squared minus 2h cubed, all divided by h. And to get rid of this h here, because this is the problem here, you can't divide by 0. So let's factor out an h. So we have the limit as h approaches 0. You factor out an h, you're going to get 2x plus h minus 6x squared minus 6xh minus 2h squared, all divided by h. Now what happens is this cancels. So now we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h minus 6x squared minus 6xh minus 2h squared. Let's apply the limit now. Everywhere there's a h, that's going to go to 0. So basically we're left with 2x. So our f prime of x is going to equal 2x minus 6x squared. Now for your domain of this cubic function, you know it looks like this. It's a negative, so it's kind of like this. So the domain of that is, I'm just going to write domain of f equals, this is a quadratic that opens down, equals the domain of your derivative, and that's going to equal all real numbers, so double R. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.